Lees die sinne. Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ons 'n paar sinne lees in Afrikaans. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to read a few sentences. Please repeat each sentence after me. Ek sien die maan. Dit is 'n blou mat. Hier is 'n muis. Kyk na die muur. Dit is 'n mes. Die vrou is maar. Ek sien 'n mot. Hier is my melk. Kyk na die mop. Dit is 'n mond. Die man dra pers. Well done. Now please repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woord na my. Man, mot, mat, mop, maan, maar, melk, muur. Well done, everybody. Let us see how much you have learned today. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende speletjie kan regraai. Is jy gereed? Kom ons begin. Now let us look at the sentences again. You are going to tell me which word is missing from the sentence. Maats, kies nou die regte woord vir elke sin. Are you ready? Here we go. Die antwoord is mat. Mop. Maan is korrek. Ja, dit is melk. Mot. Ja, dit is muis. Die antwoord is man. Muur. Jy's reg, dit is mond. Well done, everybody. You did a fantastic job. Next time we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and be good.